Okay, so back to some more Chapter 7 stuff here, where we're going to be solving systems using substitution. Substitution you only typically want to use when you have a letter by itself. So the first thing you should be looking for is, in any equation, do I have x or y by itself? So for example, in number 1, the first equation you see is y equals 2x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug it in for that y. So I'm going to have x plus 2x, again, because y equals 2x equals 9. I can add x and 2x to get 3x. 3x equals 9. Divide both sides by 3. I'm going to go ahead and get those to cancel, and x equals 3. I now take that 3, plug it into the original equation, y equals 2x. So now I have y equals 2 times 3, which equals 6. So my final answer for this one would be the 0.36. Okay, so number 2, again, we ask ourselves, do I have any number, or excuse me, any letter by itself? Well, yeah, I have y equals x plus 1. So what I do is I replace this in for that y. So 2x plus 3 times x plus 1, again, because y equals x plus 1 equals 13. I'm going to go ahead and distribute that 3. So 2x plus 3x plus 3 equals 13. 2x plus 3x gives me 5x plus 3 equals 13. Now this is a pretty simple equation for us to solve. Subtract 3 to both sides. 5x equals 10. Going to go ahead and divide by 5. And we get x equals 2. Always have to remember when we're solving systems that you have to plug it back in. So I'm going to now take this. Y equals 2 plus 1. So y equals 3. My final answer is going to be 2, 3. Okay. So now just 2 more examples of how to do substitution. Number 3 here again, I have y equals 8 minus 2x, so I'm going to substitute that in for the y. 2x minus 3 times 8 minus 2x equals 24. Okay, got to be sure that we distribute here. 2x minus 24 plus 6x equals 24. Okay, I know that I'm going to combine 2x and 6x to give me 8x minus 24 equals 24. Now we're going to go ahead and solve this one-step equation. Add 24 to both sides. I get 8x equals 48. Divide by 8. You get x equals 6. Okay, I'm going to take that. I'm going to plug it into my original equation. Y equals 8 minus 2 times 6. Y equals 8 minus 12. Y equals negative 4. My final answer is going to be the 0.6, negative 4. Okay, and lastly here, one that looks a little bit different. Instead of giving us y equals, we can see they give us x equals. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in for x. So I have 3 times negative 2y plus 10 minus y equals 9. I'm going to go ahead and distribute this 3. So I get negative 6y plus 30 minus y equals 9. Well, I'm going to add the 6y, negative 6y and the negative y. This comes down to give me negative 7y plus 30 equals 9. Again, now we're at the simple part, minus 30 to both sides. And negative 7y equals negative 21. Divide by negative 7. You go ahead and get y equals 3. I take that, plug it into my first equation. X equals negative 2 times 3 plus 10. X equals negative 6 plus 10. X equals 4. My final answer is the 0.43. So some different examples of how to solve a system by substitution, whether they give you x equals or y equals. The main point is look for when you have x by itself or y by itself. Those are the problems you want to do substitution on.